time. Hey, Aidan's mini vlog. Okay. First time. We're gonna eat broccoli for the first time.
Prito.
Konti. Ang mami nagtimpla.
Inihaw.
Let's see his reaction. Alfred, ano mo?
Ini-fry niya yan.
Hindi.
Bakit sa akin broiler? Magmamatiga siya ng kanya.
Hopefully it's not like Riley from inside out. And eat the broccoli.
Broccoli.
Masarap na prito eh.
Nice.
Is it nice?
Look at the fish.
Is it nice?
This gas is coming out already.
Maganda may yun na yan, hindi kakahilo.
Is it nice?
Wala ka sa kanan. Pero it's very nice.
Oh, this is gas.
You don't want?
Yeah, he's just.
Is this gas?
is inside. The gas is inside his mind right now. He's holding.
You're not a fan of broccoli?
I like broccoli.
Wow, yummy! Nam nam nam! Ano kaya yung first time mo pala kaya?
First time.
Oh, nasa to ka.
Nagagalit. Nagagalit. You don't want broccoli?
So yeah,
Lagyan mo ba lasa?
Konting asin. Lagyan mo. Malasa na nga. Ah. Ayaw.
Matanda nga ayaw ng broccoli eh.
Why you don't want broccoli?
oh, cause
It's
the
vegetable.
gas is inside his mind.
Ah. Broccoli. Broccoli.
Cause the gas is inside.
Plato.
It's inside real.
Go eat it. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Gusto ko dito eh. Ano prito? Prito.
Ano?
Gusto ko dito prito.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Napulot.
Napulot.
Ayaw.
Done.
Oh, you watch. You watch Miss Rachel while eating. Go.
Wala, matay gagawin mo yun.
Ah. Mmm.
Gagawin mo natin.
Yummy.
Ano?
Yan ang pangilala. Kunti pa kami.
Ah.
Pero man mo paparin mo.
Ah. Eat, eat. Eat.
Abot the egg. Finish the egg. Wait.
More.
Eat it.
More
Eat it,
flavor.
baby. Go.
But save some because I want more after
Mmm.
this.
Yummy. Go.
Save some for me because I want more after. Yes.
Go. Nakain naman niya siya. Gusto lang niya siyang makain. Oh. Go, baby, eat.
Wait. What are you eating?
Eat.
Mama is very, very poor.
Go, eat it. Mm. Go, baby, eat. No, eat, eat, eat. Go.
One.
Go, eat. Mm. Eat na, dali. Eat. Mm. Go, eat.
You don't want to try it, Mama.
You eat. Mm. Yan na nga ba ang sinasabi? Mm. Mm. Eat it. Eat it. Mm. You eat. Put in your mouth naman. Go. Go. Mmm. Yummy.
Buwelas.
Di ba ano? Di ba bakusan? Ah, sorry.
Maganda ang tingnan, pero pag kinain mo naman ang pahat. Ha?
Go, eat.
Ang ganda pagka. Kumain na ba ko yun? Ito lang.
Go, eat.
Di ba pag yung